Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the GMC Sierra versus the Chevrolet Camaro. We'll explore their fundamental differences, helping you understand which vehicle best suits your lifestyle. We'll look at their core purposes, performance capabilities, and practical applications. This comparison will highlight key features, allowing you to make an informed decision based on your specific requirements and driving preferences. The GMC Sierra stands out as a powerful and versatile full-size pickup truck. It's engineered for demanding tasks, offering impressive towing and hauling capabilities perfect for work or recreation. With various engine options, including powerful V8, it delivers substantial torque. The Sierra also provides a comfortable cabin, making long drives enjoyable, whether you're on a job site or heading out for an adventure with gear. Switching gears, the Chevrolet Camaro is all about performance and excitement. This iconic muscle car offers a thrilling driving experience with powerful engine choices and responsive handling. It's designed to hug corners and accelerate quickly, providing an adrenaline rush on the open road. The Camaro's aggressive styling and driver-focused cockpit truly embody its sports car heritage, making every drive an event. So which vehicle is better? It truly depends on your priorities. If you need a workhorse for hauling, towing, and navigating diverse terrains, the GMC Sierra is your clear choice. However, if you crave exhilarating speed, sharp handling, and a pure sports car experience, the Chevrolet Camaro will deliver. Both are excellent at what they do. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.